Hello everyone, welcome to CodeChef. Myself Jwala Chaurasia and today we are gonna solve the problem which came into starters 214. The name of the problem is Chef and Close Friends and the problem code is P4HOME. The difficulty rating of the problem is Cakewalk and the prerequisite is ad hoc. Let's start with reading the problem statement over here. So guys, problem says Chef lives at position X on the x-axis. Chef has two Y friends, each living at every integer point in the range x minus y, x plus y, except the position X itself. So Chef wants to visit his friend, but his mother has placed a strict rule. Chef is allowed to travel at most z units away from his home in either direction. This means Chef can only move within the interval x minus z, x plus z. Your task is to determine how many of Chef's friends live within the range Chef is allowed to travel. Input format. The first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. Each test case consists of a single line of input. The line contains three spaceable integers x, y, and z, denoting Chef's position on the x-axis. The friend range x minus y, x plus y, and the maximum distance Chef is allowed to travel. Output format for each test case output a single integer, the number of friends Chef can visit. Constraint for t lies from 1 to 3 into 10 to the power 5, x lies from minus 50 to 50, y comma z lies from 0 to 50. So guys, now let's understand the sample test case in the question more precisely over here. So guys, this question is pretty much straightforward. It says that Chef lives at a position x on the x-axis and Chef has two y friends, each living at every integer in this range, that is x minus y, x plus y. Okay, so this is x. Okay, and except the position x where Chef is there. Okay, so Chef wants to visit his friend, but his mother has placed some other strict rule. So Chef is allowed to travel at most z units, that is, he can travel x minus z to x plus z. This means Chef can. Okay, so your task is to determine how many Chef's friends live in the range of Chef is allowed to travel. Basically, you have to find how many Chef's friends live in this range. Basically, okay. Now let's take the first test case. You have got x, y, z, which is 0 to 1. So in the first test case, Chef friends live at position minus 2 comma 2 except 0 because over there Chef x is there, right? So Chef can visit position minus 1 comma 1. So he can visit two friends. So output is simply 2. Okay. Is this clear? So guys, I think the test cases are very much clear and simple. Yeah, simple simulation. Now let's move toward the simple explanation, solution explanation for this. So if z is greater than equal to y, then Chef will be able to visit all his friends, right? So in this case, the answer is the number of Chef's friend, which is 2y. And if z is lesser than y, then some of Chef friends are too far away to visit. Chef can only visit the friend in the range x minus z to x plus z. There is one friend at each position in this range other than x. So the count of friends who can be visited is 2 times of z. Both cases can be combined into a single formula. The answer is simply 2 times of minimum of y comma z. Simple solution, guys. Now let's move toward the simple C++ code. So guys, this is my simple C++ code. Yeah. Over here, I took the input for all the test cases as well as x, y, z, and I'm simply printing twice of minimum of y comma z as my answer. And as you can see that guys, I have got my C++ code right. Now let's move toward the Python code. So guys, this is my simple Python code. I took the input for all the test cases as well as x comma y comma z, and the last I'm simply printing minimum of 2 times of minimum of y comma z. And as you can see that guys, I have got my Python code as well as right. So guys, I think the solution, the code and approach was pretty much clear and it's very simple. And let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching our videos.